Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay and I work at the library. Today we've got a Father's Day craft to make together. Father's Day is coming up on Sunday, June 21st, and we are going to make a Father's Day gift bag together today. So we just need a few items. First we need just a brown paper bag. We need some paper. You can just use white paper if you want, or colored paper. We'll need some markers, scissors, some tape, and last but not least, some glue. So what we're going to make is a little gift bag with a little tie on the front of it, and we're gonna fill the gift bag with some treats. So I'm just gonna tilt the camera down so you can see what I'm working on, and let's get started. So what we'll do first is cut out our tie. So we'll use our paper, again, it can be white or any color, and we'll cut it into kind of a tie shape. Now I've already got mine cut here. There's my tie. But it looks kind of plain, so I want to decorate it. So I'm going to use my markers here. I'm going to decorate my tie however I'd like. So I'm going to put some polka dots on mine. And I think I'm going to write Happy Father's Day on my tie. Almost done here. Okay, and you can add more to that too if you'd like. I just made mine pretty simple. So next, I need to attach my tie to the front of my bag. So I'm gonna get out my glue here. Turn it over. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the back. You can use a glue stick too if you don't have this kind of glue at home. I'm gonna turn it over. Stick my tie just like that. So I made mine a little bit big. I might just cut off the top there. It's just a tiny bit too long. Good. All right, that's what we've got so far. Now this is an important step. You want to make sure you fill the bag with your treats before we do the next step. Otherwise you won't be able to get into it. So I'm going to open my bag up here. Now you can put whatever you'd like in here. I'm going to put some chocolates from my dad. You can put a note maybe if you want, or a little Father's Day gift. It's up to you. So once you've got your treats in there, that's when we need our scissors. And we're gonna cut a little bit off the top. So I'm gonna start on one side, and I'm gonna cut maybe just an inch or so down here, maybe about this much. I'm gonna cut almost all the way to the middle, but not quite. So I've got my little strip here. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. But I left a little bit in the middle, so you can see it's not quite detached. It's still attached there. Now I'm gonna fold these in to kind of make it look like a shirt collar. So I've got my one piece folded in here, and my other piece folded there. Once we're happy with that, we can grab our tape. I'm gonna tape that together. Okay, and here is the finished product. So there's our little Father's Day gift bag. You can follow along this video at home and pause it at any time if you'd like. And good luck making this, and I hope your father enjoys it, or whoever else you're giving this to, someone special in your life. Bye.